since the house was built in about, what, 54 or 5.
Yeah.
They just had those aluminum storm windows on, and some of the windows were starting to warp and to raise.
They let in some dust.
They took out the old windows and replaced, what was it, 18 of them?
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah. Very considerate, I thought.
I thought they did it, went at it like they knew what they was doing.
It is quieter, and it's also cooler, you know, like in the summer. The house seems to be a little cooler.
I think it made the house look nice. There's just a little trim on there that we didn't have before.
The fill in between the window and the house, but yeah. We have had a lot of people say, "Oh, you got new windows, they really look nice." So our friends have noticed.
We're sure satisfied with our installation.